Creating designs in Canva becomes easier when you know how to arrange objects in different layers. Let me share my experience with moving objects to the back, which can make your designs look much better. Think about a birthday card design. You want a pretty background image with text that stands out on the top. But what if your image sits on top of your text? Then your message gets hidden. This is where sending objects to the back helps fix your design. You can move objects back in two different ways in Canva. The first way moves an object back one step at a time. The second way sends it all the way to the bottom layer. Here is how both work. With the first method, right-click on your object. Then look for the layer option and click on Send Backward. This pushes your object back one layer at a time. I use this method most often because it gives me more control over where things go. With the second method, right-click on your object again, find the layer and pick Send to Back. This moves your object behind everything else in your design. This works great when you know you want something to be your background. You can also use the layer panels, which shows you all the pieces in your design. It works like a stack of papers on your desk, where the top paper is what you see first. To open the layer panel, right-click on any object, then choose Layer and pick Show Layers. I find the layer panel super helpful because it shows me exactly where everything sits in my design. It's like having X-ray vision to see through all your layers. Learning to send object to the back might seem small, but it makes a big difference in how your design turns out. Start with the simple designs to practice. Try moving different objects around. Soon, you will do it without thinking. So, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel to get more tutorials about Canva.